Hello everybody, and today I am going to tell you very interesting point on group theory. So that means directly seeing the Kali table, that means group table, you can say or you can tell that whether it is a group or not. Simply seeing the table you can say whether this is a group or not. Okay, so see here, every group table is a Latin square. Every group table must be a Latin square. Must be, not maybe. Must be a Latin square. And what is the meaning of Latin square? Each element of the group appears exactly once in each row and in each column. Every element of the group appears exactly once. Any element cannot be repeated in any row or any column. Okay, so on the basis of Latin square, we have to do this problem. We have to fill in the blanks. This is a G is a group and G is equal to E, A, B, C, D, and E is the identity element. So we have to fill up the group. We have to fill up the table. So E into E is E. E into A is A, because identity element when multiplied to any element there is no change, so we can write directly E into B is B, E into C is C, E into D is D. Okay. So now A into E it is A, B into E it is B, C into E it is C, D into E it is D. This one is completed. So simply see here, this line, this row, B, C, D, E. What is missing? A is missing. So directly write A. Because already it is given that this is a group table. So every group table must be Latin square. Okay. So here, which one is missing? E is missing. So I have to write E. Now tell me, in this column, A, B, C, D, E is not there. So E. So now in this column, A, B, C is not there. So C. So now let us check this one. A is not there. A and C is not there. But C is here. So you cannot say you cannot write C here. So you have to write A here. And we have to write C here. And now in this case A, B, C, D. Here A, B is not there, so B. So we have completed. So this is the magic of Latin square. Okay, let us see another question. Another very interesting question. G is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 is not a group under multiplication modulo 4. Under multiplication modulo 4. So we have to draw the group table. So let us see. On the basis of Latin square, we can say whether it is a group or not. Okay. So multiplication modulo 4, into sign is there, in the base you should write 4. If it is addition modulo 4 plus base 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, and 3. And what is the rule? You should multiply 0 into 0 and the result should be divided by 4 and you should write the remainder here. Is that clear to you? First of all, you should multiply the two numbers and the result should be divided by 4 and the remainder you should write in the table. So 0 into 0 it is 0. When 0 is divided by 4, so the remainder is 0. 0 into 1 it is 0. So when 0 is divided by 4, the remainder is 0. So in all the cases it will be 0. Over. This part is also 0. 1 into 0 is 0. This one is 0. From this it is clear that it is not a group because 0 appears 4 times. But according to Latin square, elements cannot be repeated in any row or any column. Is that clear to you? So it is not necessary to complete the table. But still then, I am completing the table for your convenience. 1 into 1. 1 1 is 1. So when 1 is divided by 4, remainder is 1. 1 2 is 2. When 2 is divided by 4, remainder is 2. So 1 3 is 3. Remainder is 3. 2 1 is 2. Remainder is 2. 2 2 is 4. When 4 is divided by 4, remainder is 0. 2 3 is 6. When 6 is divided by 4, the remainder is 2. So 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. When 6 is divided by 4, the remainder is 2. 3 3 is 9. When 9 is divided by 1, the remainder is 1. So since it does not obey the Latin square, it is not a group. Directly you can write. Clear? This table is not a Latin square. Okay, so this is not a group. Directly you can write. Okay. Now, let us say, what is U of n? U of n is the set of all positive integers less than n and relatively prime to n. Set of all positive integers less than n and relatively prime to n. Okay, that means for example I am taking u of 12. That means you should write the positive integers less than 12 and relatively prime to 12. And relatively prime to 12 means the HCF should be 12. That means see here 1, because the HCF of 1 and 12 is 1. 2 you cannot take because it is not relatively prime. Because the HCF of 2 and 12 is 2. So 3 you cannot take, 4 also not possible, 5. Then 6 is not possible, 7. 8 is not possible, 9 is also not possible, 10 is not possible, 11. These are the 4 elements of U of 12. Now, we have to draw the Khillar table of U of 12. So how to do this one? You want to draw Khillar table. Okay. So how to draw the Khillar table? So simply same procedure, modulo 12. Congruence modulo is known to you. Same procedure, it is same procedure as it is in multiplication modulo 4, multiplication modulo 12, same procedure 1, 5, 7, 11. It is also 1, 5, 7, 11. So 1 1 is 1. When 1 is divided by 12, remainder is 1. So this is also 5, this is also 7, this is also 11. So same thing, 5, this is 7, this is 11. So 5 5 is 25. When 25 is divided by 12, the remainder is 1. So 7 5 is 35. When 35 is divided by 12, so the remainder is how much? When 35 is divided by 7 5 is 35. 35 is divided by 12. Because 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36. So 12 2 is 24. So if we will subtract 24, so what will be the remainder? It will be 11. Okay. So 11 5 is 35, and when 35 is divided by 12, sorry 55. 11 5 is 55. When 55 is divided by 12, what will be the remainder? The 12 4 is 48. So 48 means 7. Clear? Then 7 1 is 7, 7 5 is 35. So 35 means it will be 11. Then 7 7 is 49. So 49 means it will be 1. Clear? So then 7 now 11 7 ja 77, and when 77 is divided by 12, the remainder will be how much? Please tell me. 77 12. 12 5 ja 60, then 12 7 ja how much? 72. So it will subtract 72, it will be 5. So this will become 5. And then 11 5 is 55. So if 55 is divided by 12, it will be 7. Then 11 into 7 77. So 77 is divided by 12, it will be 5. And 11 11 is 121. And 121 means remainder will be 1. Okay. So see here. Whether if I will tell you that if I will ask you whether U of 12 will form a group or not. See here. Whether this obey the Latin square or not. 1 5 7 11. 1 5 7 11. 5 1 11 7. 5 1 11 7. 7 11 1 5. 7 11 1 5. 11 7 5 1. 11 7 5 1. In each row, every element occurs once. In each column, see here. 11 7 5 1. 7 11 1 5. 5 1 11 7. 1 5 7 11. All the 4 elements are occurring once. Okay. So this will form a group. That means U of n is a group. Okay. So by the help of Latin square, you can say whether it will form a group or not. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed the concept of Latin square, and by the help of Latin square, you can do some problems, and now I'll give you some problems in the description, and try to do those problems. Okay, then in the next class I'll tell you another tricky concept. Okay, so till then, bye bye.